Hello and welcome back to 5 Minute Productivity. My name is Chris Kamir, and in this episode I wanted to talk to you about some premium features in Todoist. I know we just started the series. It's a big step from signing up for a free account and moving to premium, but I wanted to show you how it could increase the power of Todoist and your daily productivity system. I also want to note that Todoist in no way is sponsoring this video or paying me. I'm just a very satisfied customer and wanted to share this information with you. Let's go ahead and jump into Todoist and I can show you around some premium features. Once you're logged in, you can click the gear icon in the top right. Go ahead, click on Todoist Premium. That'll open a new web page. As you can see, Todoist Premium costs $3 a month or $29 a year, and this is in US dollars. If you can afford it, I highly recommend it, but feel free to use the free account until it starts holding you back. Your productivity system should be working for you, and I feel like these features are worth the cost, but you might want to evaluate it for a little bit longer, which is completely fine. Let's go ahead and check out the features. First up, you get reminders, and these can be either date or time or location specific, which is pretty cool. If you set up a reminder for, let's say, get milk at the grocery store, the next time that you're in the vicinity of the grocery store, you'll get that notification and remind you that you need to get milk, which is pretty cool. You can create your own templates. So if you have a project that you want to reuse multiple times in the future, say if you got like a new client project or onboarding a new employee or something like that, you can go ahead and create the project. You can export that and save it for later. So when you get that new employee or whatever project it is that you need, you can import that and everything will be there. So it will add in all of the tasks, any labels that you have, or anything that you have set up will be available in that template. Todoist will also do automatic backups of your data, and you can export that at any time. You can add your own labels, and we'll be looking at that in the next video. You can also create filters, and these are going to be very powerful. I use these every day, and a lot more so than the next 7-day view and the today view. I primarily work out of these filters, so we're going to be talking a lot about those in the future as well. And you can pick a Todoist theme. You can change the colors. They have a bunch available, and you can mix it up if you feel the need. You can also review all of your completed tasks, which is really cool, and get different overviews of what you've done. So you can easily see what you've done, all of the actions that you've taken as far as like adding tasks or updated, completed, deleted, anything like that, which is really cool if you want more of that paper trail to see what you've done across any time span. You can also visualize all of your tasks and things that you've completed across projects and visualize that in your Karma board. And we're also going to be looking at that as well. That is a quick peek at what you get with the Todoist Premium account. And as I said, feel free to use the free account for as long as you possibly can, but the premium, in my opinion at least, is certainly worth the upgrade. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to click the like button below. Also, if you aren't a subscriber, please subscribe in order to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.